So one of the goals we actually went in and put in there today is a goal that's an entire company goal, because you can see obviously you can break this down by my goals, group goals, employee goals, company goals, or all goals. So this is a company goal, and this is just one that we added in since you made this available to us in our instance, is the SAL goal. So we're putting in here, this is going to track down how many days we have left to go in this month, and how many sales accepted leads are we driving for, are we trying to hit, and how many do we have right now. And then by pushing on the details, I can see, hey, when did this start? When's this end, and kind of what's the pace that we're on throughout that. So it's just another easy way to kind of see overall, hey, here's our target line. This is what we're looking to get to, and here's how we're ramping up to get to that point. So I think it's going to be really, really helpful to have that as an entire company goal for everyone to kind of be able to actively see all the time by going into Ambition and just checking it out. And then they'll also be able to set goals for themselves. Maybe somebody is thinking, today, maybe I'm like, hey, today I want to make sure that I get 50 dials in. I can easily come in here. And obviously you can see it's pretty straightforward as far as to how I would go through here and create that goal myself and say, hey, I want to do 50 dials today. I'm just going to go ahead and create this goal, and then I can kind of keep track of that myself within Ambition. I think that's awesome. So.
Yeah, the same thing for your LinkedIn actions. You can, build around that metric. Hey, I want this individual to make, 40 LinkedIn actions today. I want my team aggregate to do, 200, whatever it is. Obviously, goals and competitions, challenges, or team-based are two kind of manager driving, behavior tools. So who's our stars? Are we going to use Dakota, or who we're going to use? I want to jump out to a SDR profile real fast.
We can use Dakota if you want me to swing over there. That's fine.
Is he not on your team? We don't want to highlight the
Dakota's on Jordan's team, but that's all right. We'll pull him up. I'll let it slide this time.
Jared, please don't get this started here.
That's what I'm talking about. Dakota! Dakota!
Well, with Dakota here, just to kind of circle back on those two goals and challenges from the Ambition side, obviously Alex walked us through the activity and the objective score earlier. There's a certain level. There's a lot of different folks on this webinar, but whether it's an SDR team, an account executive team, or a customer success team, everybody has their unique activities, and ultimately those are things you need people to do on a reliable basis, daily, weekly. And then obviously that should build up to a monthly or quarterly goal. For account executives, you're closing, bringing in revenue. For these guys, it's all about, setting meetings and SAL. So, they talked about the accountability of Dakota and the counterpart. I can't remember his name, but obviously your reps are going to become very competitive around these things. And this just builds out that discipline and reliability and driving those behaviors, and then pulling up something like a goal or something like a challenge, and then blasting that up on the TV is only going to add fuel to that fire. So that's kind of the Ambition philosophy, and these guys have a really great sales culture that just fully embraces it.